Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving questions on quantitative aptitude topic numbers. All the topics of quantitative aptitude are useful for all competitive exams like Bank PO, RRB, Railways, SSC, CGL and many more. The videos on quantitative aptitude are useful for almost all job interviews, and these are extremely useful for all entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT and all such exams. In this video we are solving questions to find remainder in topic numbers. Our question is, when number n is divided by 129 leaves remainder 51, what will be remainder when 2n is divided by 86? The given options are option A 12, option B 16, option C 18, option D 19. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. As n is divided by 129 and leaves the remainder 51, therefore we can write n equal to 129 cube, which is quotient, plus remainder, which is 51. This is the value of n. Therefore 2n equal to is 2 times all these. 129 times 2 is 258 q, plus 51 times 2 is 102. This is the value of 2n. Now we have to divide this quantity by 86 and we can find the remainder. 258q is divided by 86. 86 divides 258 for 3 times. So this is equal to 3q. It means that 258q is completely divisible by 86 and remainder for this part is 0. So only number left is 102. Now we divide 102 by 86. 102 divided by 86, it divides for one time, and 86 when subtracted from 102, we get 12 minus 6 is 6, 9 minus 8 is 1. So the remainder will be 16. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We know that if any number is divided by some divisor, then the number is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. That is the value of the number, and we have used that concept to solve this question. So our remainder is 16, and from the given options our answer is option B 16. We go to the next question. Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving question on numbers. Our question is, when number n is divided by a 2-digit number x, leaves remainder 57. When the number 4n is divided by x, remainder is 6. Find value of x. The given options are option A 76, option B 74, option C 37, option D 78. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. When n is divided by x, the remainder is 57. Then 4n is divided by x, then the remainder will be 4 times 57, and 4 times 57 is 228. That is 4 times 7 is 28 and 50 times 4 is 200. 200 plus 28 is 228. But the actual remainder is 6. It means that 228 minus 6 is 222 is completely divisible by x. Then the value of x must be the factor of 222 and that factor must be greater than 57 as divisor cannot be less than remainder. 222 has factor 111, 74 and 37. Now as x has to be a 2-digit number as well as it should be greater than 57. It means that the only option out of 111, 74 and 37, 74 is the only number left for the value of x. And from the given options, that option is option B, 74. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving question on numbers. Our question is two different numbers when divided by the same divisor leave remainders 15 and 23 respectively. When their sum is divided by the same divisor, the remainder is 6. What is the divisor? The given options are option A 29, option B 32, option C 35, option D 31. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We know the shortcut for such type of question. Here R equal to A plus B minus X. Here R equal to 6 is given to us. That is the final remainder. When first number is divided by the divisor, the remainder is 15. So A equal to 15 and B equal to, which is the second remainder, which is 23, and X is our required number, which is the divisor. If we put the values, then we can get the value of X. R equal to 6 equal to 15 plus 23 minus X. This gives X equal to 15 plus 23 is 38 minus 6 equal to 32. This way we can get the value of divisor X. And from the given options, our answer is option B 32. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. This formula R equal to A plus B minus X is R is the final remainder, A is the first remainder when first number is divided by the divisor, B is the remainder when the second number is divided by the divisor, and X is our divisor. If we add the two numbers, then it means that we have added their remainders as well, and the remainder will be sum of both the remainders. And if that A plus B is greater than X, then we have to subtract divisor from A plus B from the both the remainder, and we will get the final remainder, and that remainder here is 6. We go to the next question. Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving question on numbers. Our question is two different numbers when divided by 57 leave remainders 43 and 28 respectively. Find the remainder when the sum of the two numbers is divided by 57. The given options are option A 14, option B 16, option C 19, option D 21. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Here the first remainder A is given to us is 43. The second remainder given to us is 28 when it is divided by 57. If the sum of the two numbers is divided by 53, then the remainder will be A plus B, that will be equal to 43 plus 28. 8 plus 3 is 11. We write 1 and carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 4 is 7. So A plus B equal to 71. And as 71 is greater than 57, so 71 when divided by 57, 57 times 1 is 57, and 57 when subtracted from 71 leaves remainder equal to 14. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 14. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving question on numbers. Our question is, when two numbers are divided by 51, leave remainders 35 and 43 respectively. If the sum of the two numbers is divided by 17, find the remainder. The given options are option A 14, option B 12, option C 10, option D 13. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. When the first number is divided by 51, the remainder is 35. So A equal to 35. And when the second number is divided by 51, then the remainder is 43. And when their sum is divided, then the remainders will be the sum of their remainders, that is equal to A plus B, and A plus B equal to 35 plus 43. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3 plus 4 is 7, that is 35 plus 43 equal to 78. Now 78 is greater than 51, so the remainder will be 78 divided by 51. 1 time 51 is 51, and 8 minus 1 is 7, and 7 minus 5 is 2. So the remainder will be 27 when it is divided by 51. But the question says that we have to find the remainder when the sum of the number is divided by 17, as 51 is multiple of 17. 17 times 3 is 51. Therefore, we have just to find the remainder by dividing the 27 by 17. So 27 when divided by 17, 17 times 1 is 17, and 27 minus 17 is 10. Hence, when the sum of the numbers is divided by 17, the remainder will be 10. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 10. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of question. We go to the next question. Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving question on numbers. Our question is, when two numbers m and n are divided by x, leave remainders 3578 and 2743 respectively. When the sum m plus n is divided by x, leave remainder 1821. find the value of x. The given options are option A 3500, option B 4500, option C 4751, option D 3735. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. We know that the final remainder equal to remainder of the first number plus remainder of the second number minus the divisor, which is x. Therefore, x equal to a plus b minus r. Here a equal to 3578 plus b equal to 2743 minus r equal to 1821, and this is equal to 4500. And from the given options, our answer is option B. We can solve this question by shortcut method, that is from the given options. The last digits of the remainders are 8 plus 3 minus 1. 8 plus 3 minus 1 is 0. And here there are two numbers which are ending with 0, which is option A 3500 and option B 4500. But we know that the divisor cannot be less than the remainder, and the remainder is 3578, so the divisor cannot be 3500. Hence, the only option left is 4500 out of these two, 3500 and 4500. This way we can find the answer very fast by looking to the options. Here the answer is option B, 4500. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving question on numbers. If 4 to the power 500 is divided by 5, find the remainder. The given options are option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. 4 to the power 500 can be written as 5 minus 1 to the power 500, and when it is divided by 5, it leaves the remainder minus 1 to the power 500, and as 500 is even, therefore this is equal to 1. Thus, when 4 to the power 500 is divided by 5, then the remainder is 1. And from the given options, our answer is option A. This solution is based on the formula kx minus a to the power n when divided by x leaves remainder a to the power n when n is even, and minus a to the power n plus x when n is odd. Here n is even, therefore it is a to the power n, and where what is a? A is 1. Hope you have understood the formula as well as the solution. We go to the next question. Welcome to Suresh Bhatt classes. We are solving question on numbers. Our question is, if 4 to the power 501 is divided by 5, find the remainder. The given options are option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel, as we know that kx minus a to the power n when divided by x, leave remainder a to the power n when n is even and minus a to the power n plus x when n is odd. Here n is 501, which is odd. So 4 to the power 501 can be written as 5 minus 1 to the power 501. Now the remainder will be minus 1 to the power 501 plus x is 5. This is equal to minus 1 plus 5, as minus 1 to the power 501 is minus 1 and this is equal to 4. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 4. I hope you have understood the formula as well as the method of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.